right, Andy, tell me about your car.
Haley, come here.
It's a super awesome duct tape rocket engine jet car.
Yeah?
Haley,
It's the second one I've made. The first one failed.
Haley.
Super awesome duct tape rocket engine jet car.
All right, I'm ready.
Somebody grab hold of Haley.
And how did you make this, Andy?
Haley.
Broken remote control car.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And how is it hooked up?
What do you mean?
What are all those wires?
For the rocket launcher for the jets.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
No? So Ryan, what do you have?
The launcher,
So how do you push?
and then you press the button.
Oh, smile. Hi, Harry. And what do you have, Sydney?
The fire extinguisher.
And how do you use a fire extinguisher?
You pull you pull the yellow thing and then you push down on this and you point it out the fire and then it puts out the fire.
All right, so you're going to go downhill of the car, right?
Yeah? Should I run with it?
No, go down by those bushes.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Is this a test run?
Yeah. No, it's not.
Countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh man, it got caught in the wheel again. Got caught in the wheel.
Okay.
Darn it!
What are you gonna do?
Go down by the bushes, Sydney.